Your electronic deadbolt ships with one programming code and two user codes located on the inside trim and the user manual. To unlock from the outside, enter the user code and rotate the thumb turn. For nighttime operation, press the Emtek button to illuminate the keypad. An incorrect code triggers a red flash. The thumb turn on the interior trim will engage the deadbolt. To lock from outside, press Emtek, then rotate the thumb turn. To program the lock, hold the Emtek button for 3 seconds. Wait for the yellow LED to appear. Then enter your 6-digit programming code. To change program code, press 1 plus new 6-digit programming code. To add user code, press 2 plus the new 4-digit user code, then re-enter the new user code. To delete a user code, press 3 plus the 4-digit user code you wish to delete, then re-enter the user code you wish to delete. To enable or disable all user codes, press 4. To turn the beeper on or off, press 6.